This is an app which helped identifying rare diseases. The app is called Face2Gene. It helps classify distinctive facial features. When we input pictures, it can help diagnose congenital and neurodevelopmental disorders. It is useful for identifying rare genetic diseases. It also helped narrow down possibilities. Therefore, it saves costs on expensive multi-gene panel testing. It is currently available for free for healthcare professionals. So in this article in Nature, it mentions that a chief medical officer from FDA used the algorithms to help diagnose Wiedemann-Steiner syndrome in a young girl. Although she is a little bit short for her age, she didn't have many of the syndrome's distinguishing physical features. This app helps the medical officers to narrow down the possibilities of the genetic diseases. So this algorithm is trained with 17,000 images spanning 216 distinct syndromes. The best guess can attain 65% accuracy, while the top 10 guesses can obtain 90%. So that means the app would return a list of possible diagnoses. However, there is an existing ethic bias in the app. The recognition rate for Down syndrome among white Belgians is 80%, while it is only 37% for Black Congolese children. So what are the potential problems of using this app? Would this kind of technology be abused? What if someone identifies your syndrome without you knowing it? Is it okay to use patient's image for training AI?